Welcome to the world of e-commerce platforms, where today we will be exploring two giants in the industry, Shopify and Vtex. Let's kick things off with Shopify, a leading e-commerce platform that has truly democratized online retail. It's a one-stop shop that enables anyone to set up an online store and sell their products. With over 1 million businesses worldwide currently hosted on Shopify, it's clear that this platform has made a significant impact on the global e-commerce landscape. Shifting gears, let's move on to Vtex. Vtex is a fully integrated global commerce platform serving brands and retailers across 28 countries. This platform is not just a marketplace but a comprehensive solution for businesses looking to make their mark in the digital world. In 2020, Vtex was recognized as a major player in the IDC MarketScape Worldwide B2C Digital Commerce Report, solidifying its standing in the industry. Now that we have a basic understanding of these two platforms, let's dive deeper into their pros and cons. First, we'll take a closer look at Shopify, a platform renowned for its ease of use and extensive customization options. Shopify has made its mark in the e-commerce world with its user-friendly interface. It's a breeze to set up an online store, even for those with minimal tech savvy. Plus, with a wide range of design templates, you can make your store uniquely yours. And let's not forget Shopify's robust customer support, a real lifesaver when problems arise. But like any platform, Shopify has its downsides. One of the major gripes is the transaction fees for non-Shopify payment gateways. This could eat into your profits if you're not careful. Additionally, the limitations of its basic plan may leave some store owners wanting more. For instance, features like Advanced Report Builder and third-party calculated shipping rates are only available in higher plans. While Shopify offers a great deal of flexibility and support, it's important to consider the costs and limitations before choosing this platform. Next, we turn our attention to Vtex, a platform known for its scalability and comprehensive features. Vtex stands out in its ability to handle high traffic volumes and large product catalogs, making it an ideal choice for businesses with a broad product range. Its built-in features, such as order management and customer service tools, further enhance its value proposition. Another enticing aspect of Vtex is its lack of transaction fees, which can be a game-changer for businesses with high sales volumes. However, like all platforms, Vtex is not without its downsides. Its setup process is often considered complex, which may pose a challenge for those without a technical background. Furthermore, to fully utilize the platform and leverage its powerful features, a higher level of technical knowledge is required. While Vtex offers powerful features for large businesses, its complexity and technical requirements may not suit everyone. Having explored both Shopify and Vtex, it's clear that each platform offers unique strengths and weaknesses. Shopify, with its user-friendly interface and a plethora of apps, makes it a go-to choice for beginners, while Vtex, with its robust capabilities and scalability, is a favorite among larger retailers. In essence, it's a contest between simplicity and power. Shopify shines in its ease of use, making it a perfect starting point for those dipping their toes into the e-commerce pool. On the other hand, Vtex, with its advanced features, is geared towards businesses aiming to scale up and expand. This isn't a one-size-fits-all situation. It's about finding a platform that aligns with your business model, your technical abilities, and your long-term goals. Both platforms are impressive in their own right, but the ultimate choice depends on what you're looking for in an e-commerce solution. Remember, the right e-commerce platform for your business is the one that best fits your needs, whether that's the user-friendly Shopify or the powerful, scalable Vtex.